The fool has turned to beggar. So they are now begging for money.
10,000 US dollars.
No, 10 US dollars.
Okay, 10 US dollars.
They want people to be giving them $10.
Wow.
Could you guarantee another car?
That is a convoy that will get to the junction. They don't want to them. They don't want to right.
Guarantee another car.
They should know what.
The idiot Emeka Deadstone said that they are going underground to come out in 2 to 3 months from now.
Okay. No.
Peter said, I only listen to real people that is giving us joy. I don't listen to idiots. Thank you, Peter.
Yes, sir.
Don't listen to idiots. But some of our people are getting updates, and just for us to mock them.
Yes.
For us to mock them, mock the living daylight out of them. Doreen, my own Doreen is, if you are paving your way, the next thing is to be naked on the social media. He said, just like Nelly Ofeu. Just like Nelly Ofeu.
Ofeu.
If you got have water very soon.
I want to take on this inauguration that just went by. Hey! Cuckoo! That brought 2.7.
Our big bros is in the house.
Greetings, my brothers in the studio. I greet you.
Thank you.
Well done.
Yes.
Biafra Unite be one come live before. We see him, he say he holds something. Even a Biafra Unite, e will go see Ejide Hanamburu Amu. Asim kai culture ime kwa na abali a oburuzie na network ya bia work all day. So I see kai na ozie ba kai na umu Biafra. Kai ji ha me yeye all these accountability bingos.
We go to move, nothing that happen. What if we go to dismantle, disgrace, finish them.
Yes.
Finish them. Nothing that happen. What if
But to cry when you told before.
Yes, I wanted to speak on this issue of last year, this zoological press idiot inauguration that happened recently.
Okay.
I've been thinking about this, and this is giving me so much concern that a president was inaugurated and he didn't address the main issue that is ravaging the whole country concerning the insecurity, concerning the lives and property that are being vandalized. The major topic or the major address that he threw to the 200 and something million people was subsidy is over. I mean, it's gone. He's not talking about insecurity is gone. But he says subsidy is gone. Fuel subsidy is gone. Now, what is giving me concern about that comment is that does it mean is the fuel that is holding Nigeria together up to this moment that makes every political criminal to turn eye blind of what is going on in that country? When you say succeed or disintegrate Nigeria, they say no. Now, this fuel subsidy that I'm talking about, when you talk about fuel or oil and gas, where is it coming from?
Biafra.
Where is it coming from? Okay, the person they gave license to build one of the highest refinery in the whole world, according to them, as it was recorded. Where did he build it? In Lagos, outside the region where the oil is coming out. So it means they just hate us with perfect hatred. Instead of us to get employment by their own infrastructure, you know, they think about how to reap what we have and to just sustain Nigeria. So now, my conclusion is that, is it because of the fuel that is keeping us together, which they're using to rob us, to, you know, subjugate us? Is it fuel? This is what is giving me concern. Is it fuel? So it means without fuel, or maybe oil and gas that are coming out from Biafra land, you know, for a long time ago, Nigeria would have disintegrated. But because of oil and gas coming out from Biafra land, Nigeria cannot, you see, they see Nigeria that can, I mean, it's something that cannot be disintegrated. That is where I'm getting concerned. I just want to what?
Let me key in quickly before I forget. You have just triggered something very important. You can see that we have always been the lifeline of those people. We have always been the lifeline, because now they want to drain our blood just because they want to sustain the criminality of draining our oil. They want to drain our blood. Yes. They don't care if all the blood in Biafra land, you know, will be drained out and everybody is gone, as long as they are having that fuel and that oil. That is why we have said, had they been there even taking it and we have our peace and we have our life, it will be okay. But they refuse for us to have our life. They refuse for us to have our life, but they continue to drain us. That's why we have said, enough is enough. No more. No more. We will never ever allow that again. So you see that just from the beginning of this new their new fake government, from the beginning, you see that their problem is just fuel and petrol. And it's all about Biafra. That's why you see they don't want us to go. Yes. So we tell them whether they like it or not. I ain't got larry.
Listen, when I think about it, upon all these lives going on, Benue State, Zamfara, Kebbi, Borno State, everywhere in the northern side, or even in the eastern side, west, even this Iwo killing in Yoruba land, this man didn't even talk about it. All he said is that fuel subsidy is gone. Gone where? Fuel subsidy is gone. Gone where? Where did he go? What about insecurity? Where did insecurity go? Insecurity didn't go. So it means insecurity has come to stay by Sharia law. He didn't even say about insecurity. He's talking about fuel subsidy. Nah, I got around the power. You know, when you say fuel subsidy is gone, what about life that is going? What about the children are being killed? What about properties that are being vandalized, brutal, and demolished by Fulani terrorist bandits? You didn't talk about it. You are talking about fuel subsidy. So you mean you just hate Igbo people as with passion that you must lead them, you must destroy them. You can imagine telling Dave Omahi that his hand is full, that he should step down for Fabia, and the idiot come out openly, willingly, braggadocious, shamelessly, just say that Bola Ahmed Tinubu just called him, spoke to him, told him that his hand is full, that he have no choice. He is speaking at Fabio, and he should step down for him. Now, the question I want to ask is that somebody who called him and tell him to step down because his hand is full, is he the owner of Nigeria? Who is he to dictate for the mandate of people or the people's choice? Who is him? In fact, viewer, don't misunderstand me, because I'm just talking. This is matters that is following up now. I'm not trying to defend the zoo, but it's just the the attitude, the modus operandi that's going on in the zoo that makes me to talk about this, because some people believe that they own Nigeria. Some people can come up in the morning and dictate for other people's choice or other people's ambition. Somebody come up to take a position or to participate on a vacancy of Senate president, and somebody somewhere, decide that he is the mouthpiece of Nigeria and he is the decision maker. Have to tell somebody who to get into a Senate president for what? Okay, now when he was contesting for presidential primary election, did anybody tell him to step down? Nobody tell him to step down, because he believed that he's a citizen, that he has the legal right to contest for that primary presidential election. Nobody asked him to step down, but some people willingly step down for him. There, but that one is voluntary action, voluntary decision that person made. But to call somebody to tell the person, look, you cannot participate in this political position, that is absolutely foul. That is a dictatorship. Fuel subsidy is gone. What about insecurity? These people are mad. Man, we must go. This is not a country. It's a zoo.
Thank you, my brother. Thank you, my brother. Let our Mazu go also welcome Biafrans and say something. But Mazu go, look at what somebody put on the screen. I just left it there because it will make me laugh. There are those who went underground since MNK was kidnapped. They never come out to tell us what they underground. Tell us what they underground or what they see underground. And they still want to go and join them there because Emeka Hadenstone told them that they will go underground, and after 3 months they will come out. But some people have been underground there since. So please take your microphone.
You see, this underground matter, this underground matter, now the matter where we say, if you hear and make you run. If you hear underground, run. Why you go run? Because when they tell you, say, with a thunderous voice, we are underground and we are going underground. We give you 2 weeks and we will crumble Nigeria. Nigeria will beg us. Nigeria will crumble. Nigeria will become desert. 2 weeks till now. I don't know whether I don't reach 2 years old. No, that go tell me. We will never hear. Shakam. Now Simon will be there underground. Simon Ekpa. Simon Ekpa has become their nightmare. So they are looking for Simon underground. And they know they see Simon, and I'm be another thing. They go underground, look for Simon. They don't go see her. For dream, Simon will torment them. Oh boy. Listen, anybody that is not talking about Mazi Nnamdi Kanu freedom, Biafra restoration, forget them. They are not existing. That is why you see that baboon. You know the baboon? I don't know. If they look for Biafra inside the nose, now inside the nose, they look baboon. People are doing whatever they can do to stop Biafra from coming. That people are looking for money. The accountability is money. Anybody that come to this Biafra looking for one thing or the other, my brother, my sister, they are not existing. We must remember that Mazi Nnamdi Kanu said he is looking for 100 men. These people were there when he was asking for 100 men. At a time, he began to ask for 50. At a time, he began to say, even if I will have 15 people I will go. He never got any of them. And these are the people he paid. He placed them on salary to make them comfortable to join him in restoring Biafra. He threw most of them in schools, paid their house rents, sent their children to school. Today, they have forgotten Mazen Nnamdi Kanu. They said it's political solution. They have gone to political solution. They came back. It's no longer political solution today. It's Simon Ekpa's solution. It's placing bounty on Simon Ekpa's solution. He's calling names on calling Biafran men, calling their name, naming them in social media to be killed. And they will be proud to come back to tell you that we named them yesterday and today they are killed. We are not interested. Biafrans have died enough. Even if my brother, my left hand, is a criminal, it's not my duty to tell Nigerian terrorist government to go and kill them. No. Let them do their work. They have not finished eliminating or cleaning the land of Funani. Our problem is that longer truth for seeking change. Once you make yourself available to bribery, you will never stop collecting bribery. Once you make yourself a beggar, you will never cease from being a beggar. No matter what you get, no matter what you get. That is why when you look at some people, they come, they tell you, listen, anybody can be a Biafran. You can answer a Biafran. I was in Owerri in 1999-2000. In Amaosa, or where I used to go there and buy suya. There are people, I lived there for 2 years, yet I could not speak Owerri. I love it when people speak Owerri language. When you go there, the Hausa people speak Owerri language fluently. In Naze, they have their community. They can come up tomorrow and tell you they are Biafrans. So we are not moved by what you say. We are moved by what you do. Today, what do you call him? The Obi movement in court. Today is the 3rd day. Today marks it the 3 times they were sent home from court. Go and get us evidence. And they will come back again and say, here is the evidence. They will tell them, this is not evidence. Go and bring evidence. And they will
so they tell them, say that one when they bring not the evidence.
Wait. Let us look for the, because I like talk with, if I talk, bring it. Wait. They don't get evidence. Wait.
I don't see them.
Wait. Let's look for the decent. Where is it? Obi, where is that? P2B. Let me look for it. And by the way, before we go to B, I want you to look at your president. Before we go to B, I am going to share this. How do I share it? Okay.
He himself, INEC denied the document they classified, signed. They denied it in court. INEC. Hey!
Nigeria.
They are even attacking their own document, objecting.
I don't know how to share. I don't know how to share. Okay, share screen. Okay. Look at this. Before you go to B, just put this on screen. Let people see. Ralph, I no go talk. Make you just use yourself to talk. Use your mouth to talk this one.
Court admits U.S. judgment on Tinubu's alleged $460,000 forfeiture for drug crime in Obi's petition.
So what else?
Court admit they don't collect that one from Obi now. Obi,
I think they don't acknowledge it. They don't acknowledge the allegation.
Yeah.
And verify it as a true this is evidence.
Yes. If they collect them, my question is this: if they collect them and they believe saying are true, why is it that the American government honors these criminals
inauguration,
coronation? Why?
I'm telling you, yeah.
Somebody committed crime in your own land.
A drug baron.
Jesus Christ.
And I like the way our these people are so stupid. They'll be saying Simon is working with Tinubu, but it is only Simon that tagged Tinubu as Pablo Escobar.
When people don't understand what is going on, they will not know what is going on. They will not know. This is the same beautiful Nigeria you are walking to. What do you call it? Beautiful Nigeria you are working to get working under less than 10 hours after the new government. You begin to see chaos here and there. People are fighting in the train station, in the filling station. People are dying. People are killing each other. And you said it's a new government. You said it's a beautiful new government. I don't know what people are waiting for. I don't know what people want to see more. I will let me look for that to be on, so you will understand what I'm saying. Because see,
you mean the video?
Look at what is on the screen. Can't you see? Have you not seen him?
Again,
Tribunal
steps down Obi's petition over poor schedule of documents.
So you see, when would they talk? People know they agree here. He go court, they go dismiss her like a baby. He go court, they go dismiss him. Imagine going to court every day and coming home, and he will go to court and they will tell you, this is not the first time, oh. This is not the first time. This is the number 3 time where you don't go court. They tell and say, your evidence is a baby evidence. They ask them, sit there in the court, they ask them. So if they leave you with this, your useless evidence, you will come and rule Nigeria. Is this, you cannot provide evidence for court. How are you going to preside over Nigeria? This is the useless question they're asking the useless people in the court.
Okay.
My people, if we begin to look into all these things that are happening, I don't know what people are thinking. Or do we talk about the devaluation of Naira? From 400 Naira to 600 Naira per dollar. CBN. Which one you want to talk? People are not seeing this. They are seeing Simon Ekpa is a criminal. They are seeing Simon Ekpa is a terrorist. They have every useless to right to tell you that the U.S. embassy officials were killed and they have arrested the whether 5 or 6 IPOB king makers or whatever they call them. I'm not interested in it. People that are calling for presidency, I want to ask one very simple question. Let's just assume that Obi have every evidence now that he want to be do you think court will grant to Obi the success, say you don't win? You think say court go rule against Tinubu? Who they take court waiting they go talk? No be Tinubu and Chetima. So how do you think that court will rule against the person when they tell them waiting they do? So Tinubu go fit take court, rule say no be win. Is it possible? People know to understand the waiting that happen. But we must continue to tell them that the only thing where they happen is that the Biafra is coming, and you must listen to whatever Simon Ekpa is telling you. However he talk, listen. Whatever he said, do. We are going step by step, just as Simon Ekpa said, step by step. We are not in a hurry. We know the hurry anywhere. Mazimeka, just hold on for here. I did here. I did get something to disturb me here.
Thank you so much. Thank you so much, my big brother. Thank you so much. You know, anybody that have not seen, you know, that there is no way out of their madness. There is no way out. If you have not seen it, then you're wasting time. Yeah, I think Caroline has blessed somebody with a super chat. I believe that must be my brother. Caroline had just blessed you with a super chat. Blessings, Ezebo Nwada Biafra.
Oh, it was on my side even.
Okay.
Thank you.
Yeah. So
yeah, Nwada Biafra, thank you, Shashai baby. Thank you.
You know,
God
the thing is that bless you. You know, if you are yet to see that there's no way out of all these, you know, court judgment and all these things, is it not the same government where Buhari kidnapped Mazin Nnamdi Kanu and their court system set him free? And Buhari adamantly, even though he's the impostor, we have exposed him as impostor. He did not fight. They did not fight that one. He has gone to Daura. The judges that judge the case of Mazin Nnamdi Kanu, they are still functioning in that country as senior advocates. In the same country where you people will pass judgment and your judgment will not be obeyed. You are still practicing law in that country. Tell me, can that happen in any country? A judge will pass judgment and the presidency or whatever will refuse to obey that law. And that judge will still be waiting for another judgment he will pass again in that same country. I pity for anyone that is still hoping in Nigeria, honestly. I pity for them.
Honestly, I pity for them. But my prayer is that let what is playing now, let it be playing so hard on them that believe in one Nigeria. The more it plays so hard, you know, the more they will have, you know, chronic and deep repentance. They will repent of it. In fact, some of them will sleep and wake up and said, no more Nigeria. The way the thing will hit them, you see, Obi, the way the thing is hitting him now, by the time he will exhaust all his energy and all his legal strategy, you know, he will now come down and know that this country was not meant for ordinary human beings. It's meant for criminals. It's meant for, you know, global political enterprises like America and maybe Britain. You know, a drug dealer, cartel, they congratulated him.
We're going to read something now. Thank you so much, my own Dolofos. Thank you so much for the super chat. I appreciate you. Thank you. Let's see this. Somebody made a comment. He said, Pablo, this is our comment. They cover everybody. I don't know why. We have to do this thing so that make this thing they cover us. Wait.
Go check your comment now. You see whether it gets settled. If you don't get it, leave and now don't disturb yourself. Leave and there, maybe they do what you do.
Because the thing just cover on that.
No worry, leave yourself. Leave the thing. They do what they do. Now you put the comments one time and come out.
Okay. He said Pablo Escobar, the drug lord, cartel, drug, crack, cocaine. Yes. God admitted it, but turned down Obidion's case, filing style. In the zoo, unbelievable, untruthfuls, and terrorists courts, you can't get justice. You see? So they admitted the case in USA, in Nigeria court. So they are telling them that the case in USA is correct, but they are telling Obi, your own no get merit.
How many they see them now?
The case of the judge Tinubu for America, they tell us say, that case, you do okay, we accept this one. What you bring, fine. Shebi they don't judge the case for America. America will content and what they will do for Nigeria. No, the American I judge that one. But your own, when you claim say you win the election, your evidence when you bring, they don't tell you say your evidence na bunkum. Okay, what you go do? Zoological Republic of Animal Kingdom. Yeah. Let me see. Okay.
That is so for you.
Zoological Republic.
That is so.
Please, I don't know. Should we just talk about any other thing? Let Biafrans come in now. Call us on our numbers if you want to call. I wanted to know those that are having, because they said these people are just constituting nuisance on the social media. All these accountability bingos. Now they said Deadstone said that the DOS failed, that Simon Ekpa failed, that Biafrans should give him $10, that he will not fail.
Really? Is that what he said?
Yes, now. He said DOS have failed. They couldn't bring that man in Nnamdi Kanu. Then that Simon Ekpa have failed, that he would not be able to bring that man in Nnamdi Kanu. That they should give him $10, that he is going underground. After they give him $10, he will go underground for 3 months. He will go underground for 3 months.
Wonders shall never finish. Wonders he no go ever finish. Oh, he don't ask for money.
You go join Chinas and Wasetan underground. And then after
you won't join them for underground. Wonder. Nothing one person no go here for these people, eh? Nothing one person no go here for.
They are confirming it now. They say he said it. So I'm not making it up. He said it. What a rogue. A complete rogue, I'm telling you. A complete rogue. Ojo shares ransom. They should give him $10. That after 3 months underground, he will come out and bring Mazin Nnamdi Kanu. So Emeka Deadstone is already telling you that he doesn't even have what it takes to bring Mazin Nnamdi Kanu out in the next 3 months. But he's condemning somebody that is doing the needful about it.
It's too bad though. It's too bad though. Hey, she didn't give a god better than this Biafra and alone. No, better than this Biafra. Can all this rubbish end there? No, what is going on?
The people
they are threatening Adade Olamma, telling her they give her 24 hours to shut up. Nothing we are not going to see. Adade Olamma is telling them that 24 hours is too much. They should give her just a second. Now Adade Olamma has shot them in France. They cannot do meeting in France. They cannot open their dirty mouth in France. If they now gather in France, Adade Olamma will arrest all of them.
Correct.
She's doing it. So I praise Adade Olamma for that.
Good.
The criminals don't gather anywhere in France now. If they gather, Adade Olamma arrest them. All of them. So they are scared of Adade Olamma now in France. He will arrest them she arrests them with police anywhere they say Pokon. So he has closed them in France. She has closed them and wiped them out in France.
Nice one. Nice one. Let me see whether comment will come out better like this. Deadstone, okay. They say Deadstone must be ridiculously desperate for money. What a shameless man. So shameless. Emeka Deadstone is looking for money, just like one pastor said to his brethren to sell their property. He will use the money to buy land for them in heaven.
Criminals everywhere. Criminals all over the place. They are criminals and they are criminals and they will remain criminals. I don't care what anybody think, but these people are criminals that cannot repent.
No.
They are asking for money. They are asking for money. And God have mercy on them.
So which account will they now give for the money? Maybe they say
is it difficult to bring bank account? They will bring account.
No. I'm talking about maybe they say their accountability that Simon Ekpa is not putting money into the account. That
accountability is the account now. America have account, or they can use the Kelechi Nigeria account, because Kelechi is already a Funane man working for Funanes, but people are not seeing it.
Yeah.
So those people are Nigerians. They are not Biafrans. They are Nigerians. They are not Biafrans. Anybody, let me tell you the truth. Anybody in this life that believes he is fighting for Biafra to come, as I did so now. You see, just because the issue is being raised here. Me, I don't even remember them, because to me, they are no longer existing.
They don't exist, yes.
Because once you are not talking about, do you know what I do? Every day I open social media, I'll be looking for who is discussing Biafra. I go to Twitter, I will search who is discussing Biafra. If you talk anything Biafra, I go to Twitter. Bam. If I go Facebook, I see you do anything about Biafra, I go share them. But some people are there. What they are doing is they call their battle cry. Okay, battle cry is with Simon Ekpa. They will go and put battle cry picture 1/3.
Really?
They see Raphael, they say, hey, this is Van Babam, he's working with Simon Ekpa. 1/3. 2 person, hey, he's a criminal. 1/3. This is what people are. They are not asking themselves, what am I doing? What am I doing now that will bring Biafra? What am I doing now that will free Mazen and the Kalu? This is not their problem. This will tell you that these people are no longer, they have not ever been fighting for Biafra. They have never been with Mazen and the Kalu. They have been battling against what Mazen and the Kalu is doing. And this is why I concluded, and I am telling you this is just the simple truth. From Uche Menfo to his boy in South Africa that is called Ikenga, they are fighting to turn IPOB into political party. This is their aim, and this is why they are working with Soludo to make sure that IPOB become a political party.
Have you asked yourself?
Ikenga is a tool in the hand of Uche Menfo inside IPOB. Just like, what is his name? Ifeanyi Ejiofor is a tool of Nigerian government in IPOB.
Yes.
Many of them, all of them are tools of one Nigerian government. And Uche Menfo working against IPOB, working against Mazen and the Kano.
Have you asked yourself?
People are not seeing it.
Have you asked yourself, why is it that anything the family of Onyindo Mazen and the Kano tweet, Uche Menfo will go there and attack him? What is his problem? Okay, since you believe that you know more than us, why can't you be on your own? Let's be on our own. But once you see any tweet, I think the other time, was it not 2 weeks ago, our Prime Minister tweeted Uche Menfo, telling him that he knew that they have differences. That some time ago, he used to send him message to pass to Onyendu, but he knew that he never passed that message to him. But what are you still waiting for up till now? Why can't you come so that we work together, see how this thing this Biafra issue can be actualized? I was monitoring that tweet. Uche Menfo never replied. He just went mute. Because
Uche Menfo is working for Nigeria. Very simple.
Yes, he's working for Nigeria.
Uche Menfo is now a Nigerian agent. Uche Menfo, have you asked yourself, why did Uche Menfo leave Nnamdi Kanu?
Yes.
Have you asked yourself why? Why do you think he left? He left simply because Nnamdi Kanu is not working towards actualizing IPOB into political party.
Exactly.
No. You want to cut it off entirely without being politicized. And it's not mingling with any Igbo politician or governors, you know.
At all. Anybody that associates with Nigeria, Mazi Nnamdi Kanu have nothing to do with you.
Yes.
Uche Mefo wanted a state whereby politicians should be bringing money and they will be collecting the money. This is all Uche Mefo wanted. This is all Asare Dokubo wanted. And the Mazi Nnamdi Kanu is not interested in their money.
No.
Mazi Nnamdi Kanu is interested in what I can do, what I can offer. Bring it. If you are a Biafran, be a Biafran. If you are a Nigerian, be a Nigerian. That is what Mazi Nnamdi Kanu believes.
But Mazugo, do you remember that video that I don't know whether we should play that video again? Because anytime I always listen to that video that Asare Dokubo did, where he said it's about 9 minutes video. Where he said, how many times will they tell you before you know that Nigeria is not for you? Do you remember that video? Sometimes
that is it. All of them join now. All of them. No, don't play his video. He's gone. That one is gone. He cannot stand up now. He's being carried by 2 people. They go carry him. One person go hold him here before he will stand up. He can't stand up. He can't stand.
I ask myself, what these people, do they even have conscience at all? Because that video you did, where you exposed Nigeria, where you said president photo now, that they follow now, your president is now picture. Photo, not be juju, be that. You remember all those that particular video? No, because that thing, everything he said in that thing was complete true. And in that video, he told them that it's only Biafra that will save them. Only Biafra. Now, today, this same guy is now hunting the man that is fighting for that Biafra to come, and is now supporting presidency in Nigeria, supporting one Nigeria. I ask myself, how do these people sleep at night? People like Uche Mefo and Asare Dokubo, how do they sleep at night?
Do they sleep? People that are sick, do they sleep?
This is terrible, honestly. You see, that is what when I see all these accountability criminals like Emeka Deadstone, the way people can go, how far people can go just to achieve their own selfish interests. Because many things that these people are looking for is their selfish interest. So you see, Kelechi ran away from Nigeria, you know, because of whatever criminality he committed in Nigeria. Because Kelechi is saying he ran away because of NSAS. It's a lie. Kelechi, I don't think he ran away because of NSAS. Only God knows the crime that idiot committed in Nigeria, and he ran away. He ran to Ghana and now pretend to be joining.
If he ran away for NSAS, what role did he play in NSAS?
Yeah.
Who was Kelechi in NSAS? Did you see Kelechi anywhere in NSAS?
I did not.
What did he act in NSAS? What did he do? We know, like the DJ that ran away to Canada. Yes. We know her. We saw what she did. We saw what Macron did. We saw what Shehu Kuti did. We saw what all of them did. What did the Kelechi did? Why is he running? Who is pursuing? Who knows him?
Why is he running?
That's
why I say Mazugo. That's why I say I don't think it is NSAS that pursue him.
No, he's not running. No, let me tell you the truth. Kelechi is not running for anybody. He is trying to make. He is just working to deceive people. Because you remember when he told us, I don't know if you have joined us then, he will come and tell us that his grandmother died. His grandmother died, that he want to go to Nigeria for the burial. We didn't know that Kelechi was in Nigeria. It's Kelechi that told you he is running away from Nigeria. The money, all the document of the money sent to him was sent to him in Nigeria. Did you see anyone in Ghana? All the bank accounts are in Nigeria. So if he didn't collect in his name, the money are being sent to him into his own personal account. And he's telling you he is in Ghana. Max.
They say Emeka Deadstone have provided his account number. Deadstone said that they are working for something in a few weeks' time. The idiot has brought his account number for the donations that he tagged website account for the donation of
$10. Not a way person no go see. Not a way person no go see.
Hey, there's something I saw here.
Anybody can come out to tell you, and they watch out their website. They go put up like Biafra IPOB-USA.com. You will see what they will put. Exact thing. And when they put up, will be at alert. Whenever they bring her up, we will make sure people understand the difference. You remember this when they put their own, they put it IPOB in USA.
Yes.
But our own, the difference is that we put /donate.
Yes.
So they put their own IPOB in US, and many people were going to their account to pay until we begin to create the awareness. Then people come to understand. Exactly. Do you see that come online? Before every time we do fundraising, you will see that come online and do fundraising so that people will pay into their account without knowing they are paying them.
Exactly.
So these people are all criminals. They are dead and gone. They are dead and gone. Watch. Nobody listens to nobody. Go and watch them. How many people listen to them? How many people knows them? How many people knows them? What
Mazi Battle Cry, you want to say something, but I want to appreciate Dozier. Thank you, Dozier Duo, for your super chat. Thank you very much.
Yeah, Dozier, thank you so much. God bless you. Thank you.
Thank you, Dozier. Yes, there was a big fall by Joe Biden, who is taking some salute from the U.S. Army Air Force. This is an academic graduation. So he fall, and they grab him up. The thing just happened today. So I was asking.
He fell again because he fell down before.
He fell today.
If he fall again, this is the second time he's fallen in public. The other time he fell down in a staircase, a plain staircase.
Yes.
He fell down 3 times. He fell, he stood, he rise, he fell again, he rise and fell again.
Yes, I put the link here even. The link is on the private chat.
Put a number,
yeah, it's there.
Did you put it for us to see?
Yeah, yes, it's on the private chat.
Can I play link from private chat? It will be difficult for me to play.
Just click the private chat. It will open. Okay, it's on Twitter.
Yes.
Yes, it's Twitter.
Okay, don't worry. Let me share it with you. Show you.
Are
you sure it's bidding?
It's what?
Is it photoshopping?
No, it's not Photoshop. For real.
Hey, 555 vision.
555 vision.
555 vision.
Big bros. The warriors of our time.
Welcome.
Yeah. 24/7. Just real.
I greet you, my prophet of old, my brother.
My big brother. Battle Cry.
Just salute.
Yeah, bros.
Don't be smart.
Greet Biafrans, my brothers. You are coming in. Just greet Biafrans.
Yeah. Fellow Biafrans worldwide. We greet you all in the name of Chukwu Okike Abiama. We call on you to invite the Spirit of God inside your heart. Let us emulate the heart of our dragon, the universal ambassador for peace. Let us try to understand what it means that the whole universe came together from land and sea, air, and all 4 corners of this earth came together and they give him that reward, ambassador for peace. So let us emulate things that is good in our own time. And may you try to register your history in order for your own generation to speak good about you. Thank you, lovers of freedom. as we march forward.
They will.
Okay. No, one name. Okay, Mas Hugo, is that this thing? Does he have audio? Hey, now wow, the man follow.
Who be this?
Now Joe Biden.
They will still to fall. The spirit of Ezebelago and all our ancestors is speaking. They will continue to fall. See these people.
You see, this one is even younger than Tinubu. What's your boy Sinala? Hey.
Old man, over 80 years.
And he wants to contest again, no? He wants to contest again.
No. This man wanted to run. He wants to show that he is young here. He wants to cheat the nation.
He wanted to run. Watch him now. He wants to run.
No, he wants to cheat the nation.
What?
He wants to cheat the nature.
I get what I get to the ground with a compile. I ever
Tinubu is on colors. Esibolo Tony here, Esibolo Tony. And colors. Tinubu on colors. Asia Ghana pulpit or Gachiawa. I say, but the pulpit, but nobody is the standing. I say, okay, or the ancestors.
Not the weapons.
You know, this thing, America, the way this man fall in the public, that is the downfall of America. And Martin Namdekan said this: if you people don't let Biafra go, you will be disgraced in the public. The disgrace is speaking loud.
Yes, sir.
It's speaking loud. You see Prince Charles, the way he is doing his own too. Queen Elizabeth is say over her dead body. Queen Elizabeth, you know where she is now. They are holding Biafra. They are holding Biafra. Yeah? The children of light.
They are holding lights. They will all perish.
We are Biafrans.
The spirit of Biafra is working.
This man that just fall now, Yakata. Just watch. It's a season of the collapse of the enemies of Biafra. What is his name? Dave Umahi. On the day he was handing over to the incoming governor, he collapsed and they fall Ayakata for grand. Tinubu Ayakata for grand. Asari Dogobo Ayakata for grand.
So Asari for two.
Asari no fit stand up. When people they hold them like this.
Now bring the videos. Now bring. So if you get some videos now, you send to us. No, then let's see what, because they said that the spirit of Biafra will rise. It will rise. Let us begin to let them know that this is how it works.
Asari Dokobo own is that people they hold them like this as they talk. Let me bring it so you will see. As he go Abuja, people hold them as they talk. You know, fit talk. Wait, let me look for the video. Meanwhile, see what is his name. Let me see if I can see Dave Umahi own where he fall down. Benign Bishop we get. Dave Umahi Bishop we get. I don't see him again. Make we first see what is his name? Asare Tokobo.
Uncolos. Esibolo Tonye here.
He cannot stand up. He cannot stand.
Even Wike, they give Wike helmet, medal, may wear somebody. He carried the medal wear for top of cap.
Confusion.
Confusion. See, Asari.
About Ahmed Bola Tinubu and to protect the mandate we had given to him. We have been here for about 2 weeks. We've been going to the courts. We heard that some people are coming to disrupt the inauguration today. So since yesterday night, we have been on the street, guarding the periphery of the Eagle Square.
These people stay in Abuja, or they?
No, they came. We came from the creeks. We came all the way from the creeks because we cannot allow a few people to truncate the mandate we had freely given to Ahmed Bola Tinubu. We voted for him. He won the elections, and we had come to defend the mandate, and that's what we're doing. You see, a lot of people, there are a lot of copycats. They want to copy this 6th of January event that Trump orchestrated in the United States of America. So we are a counterforce, and we're here, and alhamdulillah, they didn't come out. Because we told them, if you do anyhow, you see anyhow. That's the slogan we came with from home. You do anyhow, you see anyhow.
Yes. What are your expectations from this new administration?
I had known Ahmed Bola Tinubu since 1992. I met him in the house of the late President of the Federal Republic of Nigeria, MKO Abiola. And from that time, we had that close relationship. We're friends. I'm not in his party. I'm not a regular politician. We're friends, and I know him. We were in the trenches during the Nadeko period, and we started the movement to restructure Nigeria through PRONACO. So I know the credential of Ahmed Bola Tinubu. Like I said, I'm not setting an agenda for him because he already have our agenda. He has shown what he can do in Lagos, and it is globally acknowledged. And
look at him. He cannot stand alone, though. He must put his hand up.
He cannot stand up.
Big.
See, Nigeria police, where they are loading young tubers inside pickup. You know, I present the link.
Now share the screen, make a Vavavansia.
You see on the private chat, you can bring it up.
I have seen it in Twitter. Nigeria is not existing anymore. It's no longer existing. And people are not seeing that Nigeria don't end. They don't know.
They are stealing yam. Hi, country.
Criminals everywhere. Criminals.
Wow. This is unbelievable.
You better believe it, you. They go to Biafra land, they steal our yams. They go to market and steal yams. From market women, they steal their yams.
Hungry lions.
God have mercy.
God have mercy.
Let all this end.
Let all this end, I'm telling you.
Let all this end. All this end. Once and for all, let it end.
It will end very soon.
I don't even know, say I mute myself. Please, fellow Biafrans, you can call us on, or you can use the link to come in. if you, any one of you that have an update on these criminal accountabilities, will learn that they have entered underground. And Emeka Deadstone have provided his account number. Hey, for you to know that these people won't go shit. Emeka have provided his own account number. And they are there fighting Madam Azoka. Madam Azoka brought his account. They are using her husband account. Now you, Emeka Deadstone, you bring your own account. Abi, can't you see how fake these people are? How criminal-minded they are? Eh? Chai. Criminals in Jaffa.
This is why you should know that we are not going to back down in anything we are doing. Anything where we are doing, anything anybody is doing, the person should double effort.
What is our discussion?
Double the effort.
Our discussion today is this accountability bingos. This Emeka Deadstone and the rest of them.
You are still thinking about the dead ones. No, we are talking about living beings. About living beings. Not whining the. Arukeli says, if I could turn the hands of the time.
Somebody should put the links on our own side. Somebody's asking for link. I'm sure it's from one of the channels. Let me put the link again on inside our comment section here. Abi?
Yeah, put that for private chat here so we can share the link.
Okay, I don't put that for the private chat. I better share them because I already put it on my channels there. You know, Mazi Paul, some of these people, sometimes, you know, what actually brought us out was Biafra Unite was going to Biafra Unite have updates on them. Biafra Unite because what they have got from on so when Biafra Unite wanted to come, I think he had problem with his system.
Me too. My system is giving me, but it's just like the same thing they are doing to our leader Mazen Namdekan. A paper program, they will destroy it. I'm using phone. I can't bring some things out. They are fighting. Spiritual warfare.
They said there is updates from our Prime Minister. Let me see whether I can share the screen.
Update where, in Twitter or where?
On Twitter. Mazigo, do you want to share the screen? The Prime Minister.
Share it, no problem. Share.
Let's see whether the people will be able to read it. I don't know. Let me see. The thing will be very tiny for people to read. Is there? I don't know how they enlarge something for you. It says Prime Minister of Biafra Republic government in exile. Human rights. Okay, wait. Where's the update? Sorry, I'm going to read the. Okay, 23 minutes ago. Biafra Republic government in exile update. List of Donald Trump 2024 presidential campaign primary endorsements. It is official. Prime Minister of Biafra Republic government in exile is listed, and it is official. Wow! Hey! Oh man!
Enlarge it, please.
Trump campaign train have listed our Prime Minister. It's on Wikipedia. Let us go to Wikipedia and see it.
Everything is happening around for my good. I can see everything. Oh, when you talk, people are not getting the message. They are not getting it. They are not getting it.
Let's read the full detail. Look at it. Okay, our Prime Minister screenshot it. You see? Look at it. Simon Ekpa, Prime Minister of the Biafra Republic Government in Exile, 2023. You see it? So let me go to the Wikipedia list. I have to end this one and reshare the screen. In this stream here, number out of my time. Where's that Wikipedia? Okay, look at it. Okay. That's the list. Huh? Okay, current. It's in plenty. How do we locate? You have to really patiently look.
Now to go through, be scrolling, you will see someone else.
Okay, man, someone. I'm not even reading them one after the other. It's in plenty.
Just look for him. Look for someone else.
Chief of the staff. Chief of the staff of Zoo.
Okay, their pictures are there. Okay, and it's on 93. So we have to, let me scroll down. It has to be.
Femi Bajamila. They don't give him a chief of general staff. Yeah, they give up. Zoo.
Chief of army staff. Chief of army staff.
No, chief of wait.
See our Prime Minister name. I've seen it. I've seen it. Oh, Simon Ekpa. Can you guys see Simon Ekpa, Prime Minister of the Biafra Republic Government in Exile? Is there? So they are yet to update and put his picture, but he's there. Current. Simon Ekpa, Prime Minister of the Biafra Republic Government in Exile.
It happened in the show now.
And as you put your mouse, as I put my mouse, you see Biafra flag show there. Can you guys see the Biafra flag there?
Yes.
Yeah.
So that's exactly where my Simon Ekpa is. He's on number 93.
That is to say, when you understand it, because number one is we say we will bring Biafra from diaspora. Through internet, we will deliver the message to our people. Because they don't have electricity, they took electricity out of them for them not to be reading this online now, for them not to be updated. That's why we will bring Biafra from diaspora, and through internet we will send the message. We are taking the advantage of internet. This artificial intelligence is created to our own benefit. That is the thing you are seeing here now. And thank you, Van Van Van, for bringing this thing out. Now I'm sending my own out too now for people to know that we are not joking. Chuko Kabiama is with us.
There's one interesting thing now.
And he says...
Wait, let me say something. Don't lose your line of thought. Do you know that right under Simon Ekpa is the Prime Minister of Hungary? That's the man there. He's the one that is following Simon Ekpa. Simon Ekpa is number 93, and this man is number 94. The Prime Minister of Hungary, that's the Hungary flag there. That's the man, the Hungary Prime Minister. Simon Ekpa is ahead of this man on the list that Donald Trump campaign train have released. You see it? Hey! Oneme ihe na-adịghị omume. Oneme ihe na-adịghị ekwe omume ọ na-eme ihe na-adịghị ekwe omume ihe na-adịghị ekwe omume ihe na-adịghị ekwe omume ọ na-eme. Wow, let me
is it in the Wikipedia you get this thing?
Yeah, Wikipedia, yeah. Let me meet him. Academic,
I beg you, meet whoever is making this noise.
I've muted him. Academic, unmute yourself and greet Biafrans.
I think I've unmuted myself. Can you hear me?
Okay, go ahead. Go ahead.
Today Diego. Ọnụ m juru n'ekene n'ihi na asị na nka na-eme bụ nke ọzọ na-eme. So ihe chọrọ ịgwa ụmụ Biafra. What I want to tell Biafrans is the interpretation of that thing that you saw in the Wikipedia, meaning that BRGIE is an international observer to the United Nations. That is the meaning of it. So those who really understand what is called, freedom fight, from the international community, those that understand this knows that now you are serious. That's why when I went to see the Generalissimo, the highest ranking officer you have in the Italian military, I'm very tired, but I just say, let me, log in to, to greet brothers and sisters this evening. When I presented it, oh my God, it's like just a touch like this everywhere. They okay. So I had ready to, to reason with us because now I have to go that na serious people are go. So now be headed there. It's international observer to the United Nations. Now be hopata. So if they're in Nigeria, very soon they got first time on the General Assembly. They will invite him. I am telling you, they will invite him. Oh, we can invite you, but they will invite Simon Ekpa, which is the Prime Minister, on the floor of the United Nations, and they may address the world. That is the next thing you will see that will happen. That is the meaning of that in number 93. So, come on, Nama. Okay.
Okay. Lisa with this one now. Very quick one. Our Prime Minister like Kaiji celebrate yaketa. Let's hear na di egwomume. Hear na di egwomume. Hear na di egwomume. Go nebe. 555. You want to say something? I know that your mouth is like the pen of a ready writer.
What God doesn't know does not exist. He has already... Listen. Mazen Namdekano says, you will go to this war with nothing.
Hey!
You will go to this war with nothing. But you will watch spectacularly how we are going to win them.
Wow.
That is gospel. That's why we say Biafra, my brother, we have the revelation that Biafra will have their own Bible. We are still under Old Testament. When Biafra come, Biafran Bible will be established. Everything is loading. Wikipedia is carrying it. Google is carrying it. That's why they say, whatever you are doing is registered. We are the light of this world. They said they are dealing on climate change, global warming. We ask them, Joe Biden. We ask them, Obama. We ask them, each and every one of them, how do you think that the globe will hang when Africa is still empty and hot? It is impossible. And as the temperature and the atmosphere is coming down, that is a K in Igbo language, because God said he will destroy this world with the fire, not with the water. AK, because if they fail to give us Biafra, that AK, which is fire, will come down. That is the secret behind this global warming and the climate change. You see them fighting every now and then. But if they want the surface to rise up again, liberate Biafra. Liberate Biafra. And that is what is happening. Because we will fight them front and the back. East, west, north, and the south will be fighting these people. They will be falling in the public. Because Mazen Nambekano says, we go to this war with nothing, and you will watch spectacularly how we are going to win them. Thank God that the spirit, every spirit in Biafran land is inside Maze Ekpoke Obatobie, our Prime Minister.
And do you
That's
know
why
that
the whole
minister is rated as international? Go there, go to Wikipedia.
You are talking about you are talking about international. That award, call it according to the name. According to the name. If you see it, they tell you what it is there. What is there is Universal Ambassador for Peace. Universal Ambassador for Peace is go to Mercury, go to Mars, go to Jupiter.
Hey,
Universal. Yeah. If you know the name, call it according to the name. When you go to inside the sea, No. Let us explain this in a little more. You go to the sea. The fishes inside the sea, the stars, the star on the sky, above the earth. We are talking about universe, universal ambassador of all the universe. Come and tell me who is Chukwu Okike Abiama. Come and tell me who is Chukwu Okike Abiama. Chukwu Okike Abiama is Eke, the god of the sun, Orie, god of the water, Afo, god of air, Nkwo, god of the sand. All of them gathered together and they award him ambassador for peace. And he told you, for you to enjoy this peace, you have to prepare for war so that you can enjoy the peace. If you need peace, that means you are a troublemaker. Prepare for war. Preparing for war is that the atmosphere will change. If they fail to give us Biafra, we are 555 vision, 555 vision, because all our ancestors is speaking. Our ancestors is speaking. The people who gave birth to Abraham, Isaac, and Jacob, they ran away and they safeguarded our people in the Middle East called Israel, and the true God, they return again and they meet again the ancient people of this very earth. Nobody in this universe has been able to challenge Mazen Nambekano when he says that we, the Igbo people, are the very first human being ever existed on this universe. And you know, World Court discharged and they acquitted him. Nigeria High Court discharged and they acquitted him. Federal discharged and they acquitted him. State discharged and they acquitted him. Unto all this thing he claimed that we are. Meaning, God says, what you condemn in this world, I condemn in heaven. What you let live in this world, I will let live on heaven. How many people have discharged and acquitted him? All the laws that gathered this universe, world law, and they have come together and gave Master Simon by the eyes that watch the planet, the ambassador for peace. and we are preparing for war. God is leading us. God told Jeremiah, he was asking when Israel was suffering, he said, whom can I send? Because power comes from words. Yeah, this everything in this world comes from voice, word. God created this world with a voice. There is power. That's why they say control whatever you say. And we are proclaiming, and everything we have been proclaiming is coming to pass. The universal peace ambassador, nobody have it. Trump don't have it. This is not a Finland peace ambassador. This is not European peace ambassador. This is not world ambassador for peace. So not Nigerian ambassador for universe. For you people to know what we are talking about in this place, we are not letting any stone unturned.
No way.
Yeah. Biafrans rejoice because if you can go to Google and ask, Wikipedia will explain to you better. Thank you.
Thank you so much. Thank you so much, Mazi 555, the man that sees from far. Thank you so much. And do we still have Mazi Onyeka? Onyeka Chuku. Battle Cry, want to take it on?
Well, good evening, everyone. Thank you again. I want to greet His Highness and the 55 Vision. And
I am here.
Yes, Maz.
I am here.
Thank
1
you
minute.
for coming.
Just also 1 minute. Battle Cry, just
okay. Academic in here. Academic, I begin to follow you. Yes. Man, you are doing great. You are doing great. It's interesting. We receive our information from the extraterrestrials. So we leave nothing back.
Thank you. Thank you.
Mazi.
Yeah?
Continue. So you hand over the mic to Onyeka.
Yeah, just a quick one. Just in conjunction with what 55 Vision said, our leader said that we should be resolute in what we are doing, that nothing can stop us, even if they were being bribed, which is sure that nobody can stop what we are doing. So they will try to make sure that they buy them off, but it is a mandate of heaven that Biafra must come. That when even his father died, his parents died, the Chukwu will carry on the view to him, look at it. It has come, go and get it. So it is a revelation. You know, God speaks through his servant. And any word God speaks through his servant must surely come to pass. Because by a prophet, God delivered the children of Israel. By a prophet, they were preserved. For this this quest, our leader Dumas Nnamdi is pressing on. Surely what is written in the scripture must fulfill in his life, and God will never leave him empty-handed without fulfilling this. Because if it is not the will of God, the incident that happened in Kenya, you know, would have taken his life. But because of it is a will of God, you know, he remained unshakable, he remained unkillable, he remained, you know, movable. So upon all the torture they did to him there, he could not die. They brought him to the zoo. Then he's still breathing, you know, and still talking. Even from the courtroom, he want the Biafra land to be calm, enough of killing. People should stop killing, you know, that kind of thing. So he made that comment. God revealed this into him. It's not the man that revealed it, you know. Like our 55 Vision used to make a scripture. I will make my own scripture that once God has spoken this twice, have Onyendu heard him from Elohim. Thank you very much.
Well, yeah, that power belongeth to God. Yes. Thank you so much. Onyeka, unmute yourself, Onyeka.
Yes, sir.
Unmute yourself.
Bam. Greetings, senior comrades. I'm Loya. Thank you so much. You know, I'm always happy to be among, because I used to learn from you so much. I do learn a lot from you. More greetings to your elbows. Biafrans, greetings to you all. Please, my words will always come to different, but I have to speak it because there's something I want to tell the dear fans, pertaining those of our people who live in abroad, and some of them who are in Lagos, maybe because of their background in Lagos, they don't want to support the first program. I have a message, please. It may not be different what they're discussing, but I want to pass this message now. You see, this our generation, our generation are not here to build mansion, are not here to have print of cars. If you know that you have the zeal in you, that this thing we are doing, that you have the oil to join us, or to contribute financially, and you are doing yourself back, that money, I'm not going with that money. I don't have back for you here. Okay? If you know you are just a young man and you are paying tithes to the pastors, to the Bible robbers, you are paying tithes to them. You are paying tithes to Anglican that they kidnap our leader. Anglican bishop. They will send to Britain and they are not supporting you here, my brother. Your own punishment, you will receive it. Chap, chap. This will not be said later. And your action will affect your children. I mean, they talk. You may not treat you or you will not like them, but I'm saying to you. If you know that God bless you, you don't abroad, you don't anywhere, you don't support this struggle, you don't feel concerned. You think that we're finished, you don't know what we're doing. Okay? When you hear a message, you just pass. That money, you will not eat it. Only you need that money. That money will give it to you to support this struggle. You know you are the woman. I'm talking about the woman. I know other days also, but the woman that has suffered a lot, has contributed, suffer much pain in this one Nigeria. And you know what is something to you. You want to steal us to stay in one Nigeria. How much do you want to support? That's your money. You will not eat it. The enemy will eat it. If you don't support this struggle. If you like to take it, this is my message. Thank you.
Thank you very much, Onyeka. Thank you very much.
One more, please. If you're from the local government, where I come from, if you're from the local government, who is precisely? You, if you hear my voice, you some of my people, your brain is too, that is set over the rack. You know, what will you down? What will you down? You know, all the people. When I go to the rubbish. The time will going to come. Some of you will be like a woman in Jerusalem. I know all of you. If you don't see you, when I pass message, some of you will be calling me to tell me. That message to you. That message will reject. That is how better will reject you.
Thank you very much. Thank you. Yeah, we have people that just came in, and I want to ask Obi Francis. No, wait, Obi Francis. Grace Onye, can you unmute yourself and for 2 minutes tell us what you have to say? You have heard about the updates, or if it is about these fallen demons you want to address, you are free. It's an open mic. The update is what Grace don't disappear. No problem. Obi Francis, can you unmute yourself and tell us the reason you're coming into the room? Probably there is something that is biting you and you want to release it. Unmute yourself, please. You have 2 minutes. Even Obi Francis is very difficult to unmute himself. You have unmuted yourself. Can you speak up so that we'll hear your voice?
Yes, can you hear me properly?
Go ahead. You have 2 minutes.
All right.
Hold on. There's something important on the comment section. Hold on. Somebody's asking me, where can someone make contribution for ESN in Lagos? In Lagos, you only make contribution to ESN online. www.ipobinusa.org/donate. If you cannot do it online, just hold on, because there's no other place you can make your contribution anywhere. If anybody is telling you to make contribution anywhere, apart from giving you the website, please don't give anybody your money. Please. It has to be online. And it is www.ipobinusa.org/donate. If there's any other way, our Prime Minister will inform you. The only people that can, contribute money from any other means is people that want to Zelle their money in the USA, and they have a special numbers directly connected with our defense minister, who will, provide the number for which you can Zelle That's for those in the USA. If you want to also PayPal, you can call our minister, Mazi Sonia Parawa. Call him. He will tell you how to do the PayPal. You know, otherwise, the website is www.ipobinUSA.org/donate. The internet of that our brother was completely not strong. We have somebody who have a stronger internet and he has his video on, which is better. So let's have you, Mazi Amukamara. Amukamara on Kawa Mama.
Enwegwere ọzọ Amukamara adịghị bụrụ n'ụwa niile. Aha ahụ chiri ike.
Ebe ka mana awọ mama.
Amụ onye ụmụ ogwa nwa Amukamara na-ajụ m ebe ka mana awọ mama. Ị na-ajụzi ajụjụ?
Ị na-ajụkwa ajụjụ? Mụ onye ọkụ ọjị.
Nna ọ bụ ịmadị Chika ga-Amukamara, ihe Chika ga-Amukamara na-ekwu. Eze owu, ọla ịmadị eze owu, ihe ewu eze owu. Eze owu
apụtago n'ọgbọ nwanne.
Chiabaka isi mmadụ onye nwoke mgbele ịgba afụ. Ịmadị nwanne gị. Academic. Iwu onye ọlụ nwanne m nwoke. Academic, ana m achọ ya disi na Twitter. Ama m ka esi eso gị ya ka m na-achọ ka m nweta your Twitter handle. Ọ na m na-ekwu?
Yeah, Academic, they did your Twitter handle.
I'm trying to understand what he's saying. Okay?
He said he wants to follow you on Twitter and he needs your Twitter handle. Twitter, you are on Twitter, I guess so. He wants to follow you on Twitter.
Yeah.
Are you?
I am on Twitter.
He wants to follow you on Twitter. So what's your Twitter handle? Academic, there's network problem where you are. I don't know why.
Yeah, his line is breaking. I can't hear anything.
Yeah.
Anyway, my brother,
we'll get that one for you later. Don't worry about that.
So, Chiamaka, anyway, maybe I will share my information with you. Maybe I'm one name. I'm telling you, now Onya was on you move with Monya one machine. I'm the Onya Chicago Mukama. I'm only one name.
I want that abroad.
Okay, one name. Just see, I like me who name. I'm known, but I some able to go. For Henry in a gossip, or I be US anyway. Yemen would not know. He need an amendment. I own your woman, Nanyaka. Benin, many people are marrow. It goes on one name working. So, and many things, maybe she be able to so, he need I would be having Puna, Yeba. But I am say about my brother, no one give me here on the MMS week. I have a corn. Chiamaka, very proud, name one mama, and then on I hear name Missy Vam. Do better Mahalanga half Halanga to have Vam. Or so, because no moon almost because you see, I know for you name. Because I know for you see,
thank you.
Battle cry, and would I know for you name, I know soon. You see, Nick, Chugabu no, Ikabu Palom. I see Kunyeji. Otu no ma kesi emenka meshiwe nike adekwa ibe ka ige na emeli ogwede one naira anyị na-atega shike ke unu na-eme meshiwe nike ụmụnne m Chineke ga-agba unu nwe ihe ga-eme unu and Biafra anyị ga-enwetakwa ya akwefuri iko so ifuru ha gburu iko so before iko so anwụ iko so sim dey na ya nwụọ mụ mara na ọ Chukwu shiri chi because I'm not where she won mamma or some day, my junior brother, or some day, near one at this day, the moment I'm on no chish chair. Niaga Badra Land also. Here walk with us over before. So Omunum, I'm not going to become Chisinik. I pay for Prime Minister, the guy, Chuku Kerianik, she became a customer. Where but I need them every day. On your one nature, H. Chong, Gaze Tom. Onye na-echere ha echiche ndụ ga-ezute ndụ onye gwuru holili ga-aba n'ime ya onye ọgwụ na-aji isi ha agwa aja ka onye ahụ ga-eji chụọ onye ahụ ga-egbu ọgwụgwụ ụzọ lakpọ ụra ala ga-aghọ onye ahụ aja. So ụmụnne m enweghị ihe ga-eme onye ọbụla kwefụrụ nna anyị ukwu nọ n'ime enwekwa ihe ga-eme ya. Chukwu ga-edugide ihe ọsọkwara mmadụ mee ha ga-egbulide maka Chukwu mmadụ onye ga-egburu onye Chukwu na-egbu. Nna anyị ukwu ụwa nyere ọnwụ and nga ahụ efuru ya ihe ahụ Chukwu ga-eme ha ihe mere between Moses and Pharaoh and Joshua wu ihe ntị ga-echi Nigeria until ọnwa zaga ha ngwuleme ntị ga-echi ha till ọnwa zaga ha ngwuleme. My dear brothers, biko jisi na ike nweghị m nwere ime na biko jisi na ike anọ m n'ọrụ mana asị ka nkele m ụnụ Chiamaka jisi ike my brother biko ama edere gị ihe na your distance ka m nye gị my number because nwanne m ka ewu si ike n'ụlọ.
I want me to for my number. Then my number. Just send that message because so that they can reach it. I can look at your number immediately because you can't add in just send it type paramo. It type paramo message there so that me check I I
would have na-ekwu my brother. Ebedi ihe nwa wo ka unwu adem awa mama da balance hapụkwa na ihe na-eme na wo mama ụmụ aji kozere maka ifini ko so ụmụ aji na-enwe dị na anọdụ na IPOB apụtacha na ESN na ezuzu na awọ mma mana very soon ihe niile na-aga n'anya na adị in control. So ekelere m unu ihe unu na-eme Chukwu gozie unu Chukwu debe unu ndụ 247 akpọkọtala na nge ili kwedi na mgbe ụfọdụ a reply ya ide reply but anyway Chukwu gozie gị
wonderful people of Biafra
jisi na ike ụmụnne m jisi na ike
Everybody when they bomb because
I'm not busy. I don't come away. I'm not busy. But both of them they get the forum now. Only if for I don't call me Europe. US.
If there me he will not go. I'm gonna get kuru whereby. Then you may explain. Can store your number.
I made him go away from there. Him the bow on my Zoom. I hear him now. Batama Zamu Kamara. I didn't say I'm amazing.
Idere mi here na WhatsApp aga ma mo na ngiri contact
okay, I will do that, my brother. Thank you so much and God bless all of you. Thank you so much. Thank you.
Thank you so much. Brother, thank you. Wow, that's my own blood though from homeland. Thank you very much. Hey, Biafra Biala. Now, I piano for another time. I piano is spirit Mochineke. Let's where is that where is that okay, it's there. Let's piano the inqua. Amen. Okay, here you now. Kita na even Donald Trump campaign recognized the man as Simon Ekpa. Eli how you could Simon Ekpa gonna bribe Donald Trump. Simon Ekpa. Onye go see hati ya heba. I can't put you on work I ever. I have go 555 because I'm no good to get on the bubble like
no. You know, challenges is in different form in this world. You know, they say everybody have war in front of him. Then if you want to choose war, you make choice. Bible says in the book of Psalm, we say, I prepare a table for you in the presence of your enemies. But going through Bible, there is no place you can find where God says, do not eat that food because it is in the presence of your enemies. I thought I have been searching. The only thing I found out that the Igbo people says, that is it. Oh. And here we are going. Academic, I know I have a war. You know, I want to show someone. Somebody hacked my Facebook account. You know, I told that person that, you see this Facebook, I will not block it. I will get that page. I will recover my page in as much as Philip Emeagwali is an Igbo man. The man who created the fastest computer running in this universe.
Yes.
Even Mark Zuckerberg is his student. Also, Bill Gates. Then that is the challenge I told the guy who hacked my phone, my site. You know what I mean? I told him I will recover this page. Whether I know internet or I don't know internet. You understand now? I will get it back. Because we know whom we are serving. Mazen Nnamdi Kanu told these people, CNN, you will be forced to report our news. BBC, you will be forced to report our news. You know why I'm bringing this kind of message? Because I see academy here. Because we know ourselves. There are some bullet you need, spiritual ones. You know, ekere ọrụ eke. Onye nyere nyanye. Onye nyere nyanye. Nnamdi Kanu led these people. Al Jazeera, you will carry this news, and we are not going to lobby anyone.
Yes.
Then Nigerian news began to say, starting from Ohaneze Ndigbo, they are miscreants. They are miscreants. They are nuisance. They are hungry people. We say, okay, no problem. Okay, no problem. We begin to deal with the people like academy, these people. We begin to hit Cardinal Arinze. We begin to tell them, you studied, you have PhD, you have master degree, you have you are a graduate. If you don't use it for the restoration of Biafra, that means it is valueless.
Exactly.
It is valueless.
Exactly.
Because gold is valid for those that know the value of gold. Then Mazen Nnamdi Kanu come out and he say, the name of the person that will give us Biafra is Chukwukika Biama. One true God. And when we call on him, people who is working inside the American intelligence will come out. And they are coming. We told them, the kind of people we see inside the Biafran government in exile is not what we can explain one day. But small, you people will come out until our hands will lay on Philip Emeagwali. That is the area we are going. I have a program I want to do. Philip Emeagwali is inside house arrest. That is the title of that message for you people to know. God said, if Egypt failed to recognize Jerusalem as the capital of Israel, he will descend on them the way he descended on them during the time of Pharaoh. And he told them, look to the desert. You know, Egypt, that place where you see they are doing, archaeologists are working every now and then. That place is dominated with a human being. They have been living there. People were there. Then, God then says, when Pharaoh wanted to eliminate and when Pharaoh wanted to take the pride that belonged to God, he said, I will show you. He turned that place to become desert. And he told them, when the Trump will come to legalize Jerusalem as the capital of Israel, if Egypt stand against it, he will wipe that place off and that place will become river. It's inside Bible. When Jerusalem was recognized, Egypt is number 2 that supported Trump for restoration of, for recognizing Jerusalem as the capital of Israel. You know where the area we are going. So this thing that is happening is not it's not a surprise to me because God have reviewed all this thing long time ago. And when Babangida created Abia, and they call it Abia, God's own state, this thing happened through the power of the spiritual realm. And we sing, holy, 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 Nnamdi Kanu, another savior. Nobody forced Babangida to create Abia State, and it was inside the Bible. And we told you people that the manual to restore Biafra has been written inside Bible. It's just like a wardrobe. You begin to fix it until you get the right thing, then it will stand. We are no more worried if Biafra will come or not. The only thing is the protection of Biafra is what we are thinking about. Biafra is somewhere waiting. He is somewhere. Biafra is a woman. Biafra is somewhere waiting. That's why our Prime Minister asked DOS, Ohanaeze Ndigbo, come back, unite. If you have anything you have to bring on the table, if actually you are fighting for Biafra, if it is true that you are fighting for Biafra, come. My love has no boundary. My love has no boundary. Vam 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 knows about this love. He said, my love has no boundary. Come, come. It is like ocean. Come and enjoy. If actually you are fighting for Biafra, you need Biafra to be restored. Bring that your idea. Academy has brought his own. We have seen. You understand? There are people. When we tell them that the Igbo people are working inside American authority, they think we are joking. We told them the only thing we need is just to provoke them. And we will provoke them, and we will keep on provoking all of you until you people will come out. Because Biafra is an ordained match. Let us unite to give Biafra the protection she needs. It's just like I invite Vam 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 now, come to my place. First thing I have to think is his protection. That is what Biafra need now. The protection of Biafra. That is the thing now on board. Not if Biafra is somewhere. Biafra packed somewhere waiting. The protection is what we are talking about. Biafrans, and I have to go because I will go early to the work. But
thank you.
One person must come out to restore my page because I give a strong challenge. I made videos. I told that guy who hacked my phone, I can open 10. But that page you take away why I'm using it to fight for Biafra. Someone will come out one day and tell me I will recover that page for you. And
thank you so much. Our own 555 vision. Thank you so much. Yeah, we will be drawing closely. We're not going to bring in any other person. Let's answer. Academic, just 1 minute. These people have come in. No, we are going to finish. Okay, go ahead, Academic. Go ahead. Take like 2 or 3 minutes.
I just wanted to add very little something to what he has said, because today I'm somehow tired. So if you want to see, I'm just, I logged in with the telephone. So because of, I like the thing you're doing, I just wanted to remind our people, the interpretation of what Simon Ekpa said, as we are talking, I said, let me, give the interpretation of what he said, that he will liaise with both Satan and the demons to make sure that Biafra comes. That is figure of speech, or what you call epitome. Practically, the difference between most of us that claim that we went to school or that believe that we went to school is that we fail to apply what you call practically, the word practically, in practice.
Yes.
Practically, that thing Simon Ekpa said, he was not even referring to, to our people down home, to anybody in Africa. The meaning of that is this. He was speaking to United States. because that shenanigan they tried to play in Anambra, that shenanigan they played, they said embassy. I don't want to go too deep into it. Now, they try to play something on top of our head. Now, he himself, as a wise man that he is, he came out and said, I will even liaise with Satan, and, that he said he will embrace both Satan and the demons. Now, the educated illiterates like Deadstone started reasoning, he said the devil, the Satan, as if it's a religious statement. It is not a religious statement. Practically, you are seeing it. After saying that, you are seeing the Satans now, coming. When I say Satan, people, you are hearing Donald Trump. You are hearing many big guys, coming out, opening for Nnamdi Kanu. And I say, for Nnamdi Kanu, Simon Ekpa is the same thing. And I'm saying that the next surprise you will see is Simon Ekpa explaining Biafra at the General Assembly. It means International Observer to the United Nations. So, Biafrans will mado. We should stop waiting for all those people who the virus in Imeha. Egolu PhD. And they can go to Konjiwala. Every the first woman, this concluded the selection in Nigeria, no peaceful, free and fair. No, they ask Naha, they manage name will as no elite. Elite again. Eto I will 247 you will elite. Eto I will Vamba elite. It's everyone watching it according. So we move. Thank you. Let me go and
Thank you very much. Thank you very much. Let us let's not exceed 2 hours 30 minutes. Let's see. Owen Palace, unmute yourself, please.
Okay, quick one. Good evening. Okay. I give you thanks. Thank you very much. 247. Master 247. Thank you. 55 Vision. I thank you all. Hey, I see full house. Yeah, I just want to say I'm happy to see you people giving good news every day. Every day I'm hearing good news from you people. I'm happy. I'm very, very happy. I don't know what else can I do. I don't have money to say, okay, let me pop money to appreciate you people. But that every day I keep on hearing good. Yesterday, I was Pastor Van, I was watching that movie. I know that movie for a very long time. So I didn't know that you are the one that participated on it yesterday. So all is well. And the falling demons. I just want to tell them one thing, that what they don't know is bigger than them. What they don't know is bigger than them. Quite all right. Understand? My father used to tell me that but one day they will know that they are making a very big mistake in future. I just want to say that what I know is one day they will face their wrath. All is well. Thank you so much. I'm happy to be in your midst and say something this evening. Thank you so much. I from here.
Thank you, Owen Palace. Thank you so much. You are blessed. Thank you. All right, we have Nas Uzoku. Nas Uzoku, please unmute yourself and talk to us. Let me help you to unmute it. Okay, you already did. Okay, go ahead, sir. Go ahead. Please, you have 3 minutes, please.
Good evening, Biafrans. Good evening, Pastor Vam.
Thank you.
My brother 555 Mazugo. I really appreciate you people for your good work you people are doing for us. I'm calling from Libya.
Wow.
It's not easy this side, but I pray that Almighty will let us get this Biafra and go back home.
You see,
we the Biafrans here, we are suffering too much, but Almighty God will continue to hold us. It's not an easy thing. Yes. Wow. We are here, we are still praying that God should do it for us. And God should protect our leader and protect our PM for the good job he has been doing for us. God will continue to strengthen you people. I'm happy to be in your midst this evening. This is my first time of coming to this platform for the first time. I hope my Almighty God will continue to uphold you people, and we shall reach our promised land, Biafra land.
Thank you. Thank you so much, Mazinas Uzoku. May you never lose your reward, and Biafra will surely be your reward. Thank you very much. Okay.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you very much.
I have to check out, please.
Yeah, give your vote of thanks and check out. We are ending it now. Let's begin with you. Give Biafrans a vote of thanks. And then
all Biafrans worldwide, just rail 247. You are the one who is completing the task. 24 hours a day, 247 a week. May God bless you. Battle cry. We must battle. We must battle. Whatever that is happening. Eh? Bam, 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 bam. I don't have the area. Hey, Amaze Onyeka Chuku, thank you. We extend our greeting to the great leader of indigenous people of Biafra.
Thank you so much. Thank you, 555. Thank you, great comrade. More greet to Ebos.
Then, as we send more greeting to the ambassador, universal ambassador for peace, we call it according to how it is. Simon Banjoko, Obato Obie, the taproot, Oswafia.
The great oracle.
Njoku the deity. So, and all lovers of freedom, truly, Biafra is here. We are making way for Biafra to come and they have a little rest and they relax. And when Biafra come, while we are fighting, we will go down to Eze-Belago Kingdom and build a sanctuary where we will be worshiping Chukwukikabiam with every honesty. Yes.
Sir?
Thank you, lovers of freedom. Thank you, because victory is ours. Trump have registered it. If you can ask Google, you know our new code. You can ask Google. Wikipedia will explain to you better. Thank you.
Thank you so much.
Vam, we don't hear you. Mute.
Okay, can we take 1 minute or two vote of thanks from you, Mazi Onyeka, because Biafrans.
Oh, thank you so much. Thank you, Biafrans. Thank you, my senior comrades. The people that when I see you people, I'm getting energized. I am very, very optimistic that Biafrans, I want you to know that if you are Biafra, if you know that you are from that soil, that you are progenitors, you are ancestors from that soil. Anybody who is speaking different tongue, different song than what we are doing, even though the person is from the same parents, maybe only mother knows who the blood that runs in them. Just leave the person and move on. Anybody, even if the person is feeding you, telling you a different thing again, anything about Nigeria, just leave the person and begin to move. Okay? This thing we are doing now, anybody who will look at what is happening now, it's an Igbo man, a Biafra person, and he's telling you anything that will draw you back, that person is your worst enemy. We are moving forward, and anybody standing away, crush the person. Every Biafra must be aggressive, angry against our enemy, not against your brother. Don't fight your fellow brother. Don't fight your fellow Biafra. Don't fight your fellow brother. Fight your enemy. Unite together and fight your enemy. Okay? Our leader told us, if you know that you have that Obi, you don't do cut. Come and use that like Obi to fight our enemy. If you fight any Biafran that innocent Biafran like you, the land will consume you. Let us stand firm and support our leader, our prime minister, our ambassador, all the leadership of Mazi Kanu. Any order given to you, pass to people at home. Make sure that they follow the order. That is the only way we can get what they want. Any order given to you, obey it. Thank you so much. Thank you.
Thank you very much, Mazi Onyeka. Battle Cry, please, vote of thanks.
Yes.
Our prime minister will come in live now. So I will end this broadcast so that we'll join from Mazi Go. We'll have to join from your studio after this. All right. Battle Cry, please, quickly, because Mazi Sama will be coming live shortly.
All right, this is Biafra Battle Cry Channel TV, and I want to thank each of every one of our comrades here who has made this evening to be a wonderful evening. For bringing up the current affair. For as per the Biafra who are all over the world, both in diaspora and local, thank you again for supporting what we are doing. Those who make comment and those who give super chat, may you go carry and bless you. So let's stay tuned and wait for our Prime Minister that are coming online shortly. Thank you very much from here. Good evening.
Thank you very much. My own senior brother, Just Real Biafra 247, Demugo. Please take the mic.
Yes, no, Biafrans, thank you so much. I greet all of you. You see, we'll not fight again. Fight is the fight itself for us.
Yes.
God is on the throne. We know they prophesy. God they do them, we they see them. Our enemies, Kuma, they see them. Let us wait and believe. Pray that our Prime Minister comes online this evening to explain by himself, so we go understand them better. Thank you and bye for now.
Thank you very much, Mazi Go. Thank you. This brother on the room, please. I'm sorry, I said I will not bring somebody else in. That is Mbaibu. Thank you very much. Please, when next will come, we'll bring you up. We have already come to the end of this one. We'll be coming back live immediately our Prime Minister comes. I remain your brother. Thank you very much, Emeka. I remain your brother and your host from here, Raphael Chamaka Jere, a.k.a. Pastor Bam. Let's go. Let's go there. We'll join our Prime Minister when he comes live now. Thank you very much, everyone.
All right.